Welcome to Sakaraka Safar. Get ready to embark on a cosmic journey through the 12 signs of the zodiac as we explore the power of Mercury, the planet that governs communication, intellect, learning, and expression. In this exciting video series, we'll be diving deep into Mercury's influence on each zodiac sign, from Aries to Pisces, and unlocking how Mercury's energy affects you based on its position in the houses of your natal chart. But we're not stopping there. We'll also be exploring the incredible concept of Mercury's exaltation and debilitation, so you can fully understand how this planetary energy shines at its best and where it might face challenges. Mercury is often referred to as the messenger planet. It's the planet of thoughts, communication, and reasoning. Mercury influences everything from the way we express ourselves and process information to how we connect with others. Whether we're solving problems, sharing ideas, or learning new things, Mercury guides it all. Mercury in exaltation brings out mental brilliance, sharp analytical skills, and clear communication. Think of it as Mercury at its best, functioning like a finely tuned instrument that's working in perfect harmony with your thoughts and words. Mercury can express its highest potential when it's in these signs, making communication smooth, intellect razor sharp, and ideas flow effortlessly. Mercury in debilitation can show challenges in communication, misunderstandings, and disorganized thinking. When Mercury is in debilitation, you might find yourself feeling confused or struggling to express your ideas clearly. But this energy also has growth potential. Through introspection and adaptation, Mercury's challenging positions can lead to deep wisdom, creativity, and emotional intuition once embraced. For Taurus, on 11th February 2025, Mercury enters Aquarius in the 10th house of career, reputation, and social status for Taurus ascendants. Mercury is joined by Saturn and will soon be conjunct Sun on 13th February, forming Budh Aditya Yoga. The 10th house governs career, authority, and social recognition. Mercury's presence boosts communication, analytical skills, and strategic thinking in professional matters. Mercury's energy makes planning, negotiations, and decision making sharper, benefiting those in business, media, marketing, and public speaking roles. Since Saturn is also here, success will come through discipline and structured efforts rather than quick shortcuts. This is an excellent period for long term career planning. Mercury conjunct Sun enhances leadership qualities, making Taurus natives more commanding and confident in their professional life. This is a period of public recognition, promotions, and authoritative communication, but it may also bring ego clashes with seniors or colleagues. Saturn's influence ensures responsibilities increase and workload might feel heavy, but this hard work will solidify long term gains. Since Saturn rules hard work, patience, and discipline, Taurus natives will need to stay focused and structured in career matters. Projects may take longer to materialize, but the results will be solid and long lasting. Avoid workplace conflicts and politics, as Mercury can make speech sharp and Saturn can make environments rigid or demanding. There might be some challenges and things that you need to watch out for, such as increased responsibilities and workload, ego clashes with authority figures, delays in promotions or recognition. Also, watch out for miscommunication or overconfidence in professional settings. Here are some remedies for Mercury in your 10th house, such as offering green lentils on Wednesdays to strengthen Mercury's positive influence. Avoid unnecessary arguments at work, as diplomacy will yield better results. Wear light blue or grey colors to harmonize Saturn's energy with Mercury. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or need further insights, feel free to contact us through the WhatsApp number shown on your screen. See you in the next video.